You know, when you see somebody who's prepared for a job, from the beginning you will know. You know, Nigeria is a country where propaganda rumors, and unfortunately too, we have a press or a media that's also embellishing rumors and propaganda without cross-checking facts. Tinubu has shown to Nigeria that, look, all of us belong to Nigeria. I want every Nigerian, ethnicity, religion, or whatever. Let us. This country belongs to all of us. See the balancing. You see the balancing? So many people carry the propaganda that having a Muslim ticket will be bad for Nigeria because of the complexity of this country. But see what he has done now. He said, look, all these things are not the way. I'm ready to work for this country, to put everybody together. And that is why, look at the appointment. It may have shocked so many people. I have read in the newspaper that North Central was complaining that, look, they're supposed to have this and that. But look at what he has done. By giving them secretary to the government or the federation. Will you now say that marginalization against the North Central? Will you now say that the marginalization against the Christian? A man who is prepared. A man who knows the complexity of this country. And that's the way, you see, the Mabu say, the first step, the first dance step you show, will show whether you're a good dancer or not. For me, from what you have done in Lagos, which is as complex as maybe Nigeria, you may call it mini Nigeria, able to bring everybody, Yoruba, Igbo, Hausa, everybody, bring them together. Look at what he has done. And from what I've seen with my interactions with him, he's the firm person. He's a man who believes that when he takes a decision, he's not a president that you push. You don't know who's the president. No. He may be wrong. He may be wrong. But that's leadership. This is my position. You have to keep. When people are criticizing him that, oh, why are you supporting this? And this is what I've told people. Some people are so greedy. Some people are greedy to the point that they don't understand about the unity of this country. Now, you know, it was bad enough. The campaign against APC was seriously off this Muslim ticket. The campaign was there. Some of us didn't fall to it. Some of us said, look, yes, I agree. But we were talking about certain presidencies. Yes, I owe the apologies to anybody. And in that certain presidency, whom will you prefer to support? But when I supported certain presidents, I have no apologies. Whom do you support? Very clear. Right? Now, if you go by that way, you have to be careful. That look, see the way things are.